Costa Rica is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, home to over 500,000 species. In its rainforests, mountains, and coastlines, incredible animals thrive. Let's take a closer look at the wildlife of Costa Rica. Ocelots. The ocelot is a beautiful spotted cat found in the forests of Central and South America. Its golden coat covered with dark markings provides excellent camouflage among trees and vegetation. Ocelots are mostly active at night, hunting small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. These stealthy hunters rely on sharp senses and patience to catch their prey. Baird's tapir. The Baird's tapir is the largest land mammal in Central America. Its short trunk-like nose helps it grab leaves, fruits, and aquatic plants. Tapirs are excellent swimmers and often spend time in rivers to cool off and avoid predators. By spreading seeds through their droppings, they help maintain healthy forests. Hoffman's two-toed sloth. The Hoffman's two-toed sloth is famous for its slow lifestyle. Spending most of its life hanging upside down in trees, the sloth conserves energy by moving very slowly. Its thick fur often hosts algae, helping it blend into the forest canopy. This unique adaptation provides natural camouflage from predators. White-faced capuchin monkey. The white-faced capuchin monkey is one of the smartest monkeys in the Americas. These social animals live in groups and communicate using calls, facial expressions, and body language. Capuchins use tools, solve problems, and feed on fruits, insects, eggs, and small animals. Their intelligence makes them fascinating residents of tropical forests. Quach. The coati is a curious mammal, recognized by its long ringed tail and flexible snout. Coatis use their noses to search for insects, fruits, eggs, and small animals on the forest floor. They are highly social and often travel in groups while searching for food. Their agility allows them to climb trees with ease. Fruit bat. The fruit bat plays an important role in rainforest ecosystems. These bats feed on fruits and nectar, helping pollinate flowers and disperse seeds across large distances. With strong wings and excellent navigation skills, they travel long distances each night. Many rainforest plants depend on fruit bats for reproduction. Great green macaw. The great green macaw is one of the most colorful birds in Central American rainforests. Its bright green feathers and powerful beak make it easy to recognize. These intelligent birds feed on fruits, seeds, and nuts, helping spread seeds throughout the forest. They often form strong pair bonds and communicate with loud calls. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan is famous for its large rainbow-colored bill. Although the bill looks heavy, it is surprisingly lightweight. Toucans use it to reach fruits on branches and regulate body temperature. Their colorful appearance makes them one of the most recognizable birds of the rainforest. Green heron. The green heron is a skilled hunter found near rivers, ponds, and wetlands. Unlike many birds, green herons sometimes use bait such as insects or leaves to attract fish. Once prey approaches, they strike with incredible speed and accuracy. This makes them one of the few birds known to use tools while hunting. Clay-colored thrush. The clay-colored thrush is known for its beautiful and melodious song. Found in forests and gardens, it feeds on fruits, insects, and worms. Its pleasant calls are often heard early in the morning and after rainfall. This bird plays an important role in spreading seeds throughout its habitat. Cane toad. The cane toad is one of the largest toads in the world. It feeds on insects, small animals, and almost anything it can swallow. Special glands behind its eyes produce toxins that help protect it from predators. Its adaptability has allowed it to survive in many different environments. Jaguar. The jaguar is the largest wild cat in the Americas and one of the most powerful predators in the rainforest. Its beautiful golden coat covered with dark rosettes provides excellent camouflage among dense vegetation. Unlike many other big cats, jaguars are excellent swimmers and often hunt near rivers and wetlands. They have one of the strongest bites of any cat, powerful enough to crush turtle shells and pierce the skulls of prey. Jaguars are solitary hunters that rely on stealth, patience, and strength to capture animals such as deer, capybaras, and caimans. As top predators, they help maintain balance in the ecosystem and keep animal populations healthy. Puma. The puma is one of the most adaptable big cats in the world, found from Canada to South America. Also known as the mountain lion or cougar, the puma can live in forests, mountains, deserts, and grasslands. Its powerful legs allow it to leap great distances and climb trees with ease. Pumas are solitary hunters that feed mainly on deer, but they can also hunt smaller animals when necessary. Unlike roaring big cats such as lions, pumas communicate through growls, purrs, and other vocal sounds. Their adaptability and athletic ability make them among nature's most successful predators. White-tailed deer. The white-tailed deer is one of the most widespread and recognizable deer in the Americas. It gets its name from the bright white underside of its tail, which it raises as a warning signal when danger approaches. White-tailed deer are herbivores that feed on leaves, grasses, fruits, and young shoots. They have excellent hearing and a strong sense of smell, helping them detect predators from a distance. These graceful animals are also powerful runners and can make impressive leaps to escape danger. By browsing on plants and spreading seeds, white-tailed deer play an important role in maintaining healthy forest ecosystems. Collared peccary. The collared peccary is a tough and adaptable mammal found in forests, grasslands, and deserts across the Americas. Although it looks similar to a wild pig, the collared peccary belongs to a different animal family. It gets its name from the light-colored band of fur around its neck that resembles a collar. Collared peccaries live in social groups called herds and work together to protect one another from predators. They feed on fruits, roots, seeds, cactus pads, and other plant material, using their strong snouts to search for food. These resilient animals play an important role in dispersing seeds and maintaining healthy ecosystems. River otter. The river otter is a playful and energetic animal that spends much of its life in rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Its streamlined body, webbed feet, and powerful tail make it an excellent swimmer. River otters hunt fish, frogs, crayfish, and other aquatic animals, often diving and twisting through the water with remarkable agility. These intelligent mammals are known for their playful behavior, frequently sliding down muddy banks and playing with one another. Their thick waterproof fur helps keep them warm even in cold water. As skilled hunters and indicators of clean waterways, river otters are important members of freshwater ecosystems. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw is one of the most colorful birds in the world, known for its brilliant red, yellow, and blue feathers. Found in tropical rainforests, scarlet macaws use their powerful curved beaks to crack open nuts and seeds that many other animals cannot eat. These highly intelligent birds often form lifelong pairs and communicate using loud calls that can be heard across the forests. Scarlet macaws are excellent flyers and travel long distances in search of food. By carrying and dropping seeds throughout the rainforest, they help new plants grow and contribute to the health of the ecosystem. Their striking colors, intelligence, and social nature make scarlet macaws among the most fascinating birds of the rainforest. Brown pelican. The brown pelican is a remarkable seabird, famous for its dramatic fishing dives. Unlike many birds that catch fish at the water's surface, brown pelicans plunge headfirst from the air, hitting the water with surprising force. Their large throat pouch acts like a net, allowing them to scoop up fish and water at the same time. After surfacing, they drain the water before swallowing their catch. Brown pelicans are excellent flyers and often glide just above ocean waves, using air currents to travel long distances with very little effort. Their unique hunting technique makes them one of the most fascinating birds along coastlines. Standing over a meter tall, this elegant bird is instantly recognizable by its long legs, long neck, and sharp spear-like bill. The great blue heron is a master of patience. It can stand completely still for long periods while waiting for fish or other prey to come within reach. When the perfect moment arrives, it strikes with incredible speed, using its sharp bill to catch fish, frogs, snakes, and small mammals. Despite its large size, the great blue heron is a graceful flyer. During flight, it folds its neck into a distinctive S shape while its broad wings carry it smoothly across the sky. These birds often nest in large colonies high in trees, where dozens of herons may raise their young together. As top predators in wetland habitats, great blue herons help maintain balance in aquatic ecosystems. Their hunting skill, patience, and graceful appearance make them one of nature's most impressive water birds. The snowy egret is a beautiful bird known for its bright white feathers and striking yellow feet. Found in marshes, wetlands, and coastal areas, snowy egrets actively chase fish, insects, and small aquatic animals. Unlike some herons that stand still while hunting, snowy egrets often run, shuffle, and stir the water to flush out prey. During breeding season, they develop elegant plumes that add to their graceful appearance. Their beauty, agility, and hunting skills make snowy egrets some of the most admired birds in wetland environments. Hummingbird. The hummingbird is one of the smallest birds in the world and one of the most amazing flyers in nature. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds can hover in place, fly backward, and even move sideways. Their wings beat incredibly fast, sometimes more than 50 times per second, creating the humming sound that gives them their name. These tiny birds feed mainly on flower nectar, using their long beaks and specialized tongues to reach deep inside blossoms. As they feed, hummingbirds help pollinate plants, making them important for healthy ecosystems. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are energetic travelers, with some species migrating thousands of kilometers every year. American crocodile. The American crocodile is one of the largest reptiles in the Americas, found in rivers, estuaries, mangroves, and coastal regions. These powerful predators can grow several meters long and have strong jaws filled with sharp teeth designed for gripping prey. American crocodiles are excellent swimmers and spend much of their time in water, where they wait patiently for fish, birds, and mammals to approach. Although they appear slow and calm, they can launch sudden attacks with incredible speed when hunting. Unlike many reptiles, crocodile mothers are surprisingly protective. Females guard their nests carefully and help their young reach the water after hatching. American crocodiles can also tolerate saltwater better than many other crocodile species, allowing them to live in coastal habitats. As top predators, they help maintain healthy ecosystems by controlling populations of fish and other animals. Their ancient ancestry, powerful hunting skills, and survival over millions of years make them among the most fascinating reptiles on Earth. Green iguana. The green iguana is a tree-dwelling reptile commonly found in tropical forests of Central and South America. Despite its name, a green iguana can display different shades of green, brown, or even orange, depending on age and season. These reptiles are excellent climbers and spend much of their lives high in trees, feeding mainly on leaves, flowers, and fruits. Green iguanas are also strong swimmers and can escape danger by diving into rivers from overhanging branches. Their long tails help with balance and can be used as powerful whips for defense against predators. Sea turtle. The sea turtle is one of the oldest groups of animals on Earth, having existed for more than 100 million years. These gentle reptiles spend most of their lives in the ocean, traveling vast distances between feeding and nesting areas. Sea turtles are excellent navigators. Scientists believe they use Earth's magnetic field to help find their way across thousands of kilometers of open ocean. Female sea turtles return to sandy beaches to lay their eggs, often choosing the same beaches where they hatched many years earlier. After emerging from their nests, baby turtles face a dangerous journey to the sea, avoiding birds, crabs, and other predators. Different species feed on different foods. Some eat jellyfish, while others feed on seagrass, algae, or shellfish. Sea turtles play an important role in maintaining healthy marine ecosystems, especially seagrass beds and coral reefs. Their incredible migrations, ancient history, and importance to ocean life make sea turtles among the most remarkable creatures in the natural world. Bull shark. The bull shark is one of the most adaptable sharks in the world. Their strong bodies and powerful jaws make them skilled hunters, feeding on fish, rays, and other marine animals. Bull sharks are known for their ability to travel far upstream in rivers, a rare trait among sharks. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in a wide range of aquatic environments, making them one of nature's most remarkable predators. Manta ray. The manta ray is one of the largest fish in the ocean, with some individuals having wingspans over 7 meters. They swim gracefully through the water, using their large fins like wings to glide effortlessly through the ocean. Manta rays are highly intelligent and curious animals, often approaching divers without fear. Their beauty, size, and peaceful nature make them among the most admired creatures of the sea. Stingray. The stingray is a fascinating marine animal closely related to sharks. Its flat body allows it to rest on the ocean floor, often partially buried in sand where it becomes nearly invisible. Stingrays feed on shellfish, worms, and small fish using special sensors to detect prey hidden beneath the seabed. Many species have a venomous spine on their tail, which is used only for defense against predators. Their unique shape and stealthy lifestyle make stingrays masters of life on the ocean floor. Leafcutter ant. The leafcutter ant is one of the most hard-working insects in the rainforest. These ants are famous for carrying pieces of leaves many times larger than their own bodies back to their underground colonies. Surprisingly, they do not eat the leaves directly. Instead, they use them to grow a special fungus, which serves as the colony's main food source. Leafcutter ants live in highly organized societies where each ant has a specific job, from cutting leaves to caring for the fungus gardens. Honeybee. The honeybee is one of the most important insects on Earth, playing a vital role in nature and agriculture. Honeybees live in highly organized colonies that can contain tens of thousands of individuals. Each colony consists of a queen, worker bees, and drones, with every bee performing a specific job to help the hive survive. The queen's main role is to lay eggs, while worker bees collect nectar and pollen, build honeycombs, care for young bees, and defend the colony. Honeybees visit flowers to gather nectar, which they carry back to the hive. Inside the hive, the nectar is transformed into honey, providing food for the colony during periods when flowers are scarce. As bees move from flower to flower, they transfer pollen between plants. This process, known as pollination, helps plants produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Many of the foods humans eat depend on pollinators like honeybees. Without them, many crops would struggle to grow. One of the most fascinating things about honeybees is their ability to communicate. When a worker discovers a rich source of flowers, it performs a special movement called the waggle dance. This dance tells other bees the direction and distance of the food source, allowing the colony to gather resources efficiently. Honeybees are also skilled architects. They build honeycombs made of perfect hexagonal cells, a design that stores the maximum amount of honey while using the least amount of wax. Despite their small size, honeybees have an enormous impact on ecosystems around the world. Their teamwork, communication, and role in pollination make honeybees among the most extraordinary creatures in nature. Dragonfly. The dragonfly is one of the oldest groups of insects on Earth, with ancestors that lived more than 300 million years ago. Known for their long bodies, large eyes, and transparent wings, dragonflies are among the most skilled flyers in the insect world. They can fly forward, backward, sideways, and even hover in place. Their powerful wings allow them to change direction instantly while chasing prey. Dragonflies have enormous compound eyes that provide nearly 360-degree vision, helping them spot insects from all directions. Both young and adult dragonflies are predators. Their aquatic young, called nymphs, live underwater and hunt small fish, tadpoles, and insects. After months or even years underwater, the nymph climbs out and transforms into a winged adult. Adult dragonflies feed mainly on mosquitoes, flies, and other flying insects, helping control pest populations naturally. Their speed, agility, and ancient history make dragonflies some of the most remarkable insects in the natural world. Millipede. The millipede is a slow-moving creature found in forests, grasslands, and other moist habitats around the world. Although the name means 1,000 feet, most millipedes have far fewer legs, though some species possess hundreds. Millipedes feed mainly on dead leaves, wood, and decaying plant material. By breaking down this organic matter, they help recycle nutrients back into the soil. When threatened, many millipedes curl into a tight spiral to protect their soft undersides. Some species can also release chemicals that discourage predators. Despite their simple appearance, millipedes play an important role as nature's recyclers. helping keep ecosystems healthy and productive. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. Found on every continent except Antarctica, this remarkable bird is known for its incredible hunting dives, called stoops. When targeting prey, a peregrine falcon can soar high above the ground before folding its wings and diving at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. Its sharp eyesight allows it to spot birds from great distances, making it one of the most skilled hunters in the sky. Peregrine falcons feed mainly on other birds, striking them with incredible precision while flying. These powerful raptors can live on cliffs, mountains, coastlines, and even in large cities, where tall buildings resemble natural cliffs. Their unmatched speed, agility, and hunting ability make peregrine falcons one of nature's most extraordinary predators. Whale shark. The whale shark is the biggest fish on Earth, growing up to 12 meters long or even more. Despite its enormous size, the whale shark is a gentle giant that feeds mainly on tiny plankton, small fish, and microscopic organisms. It swims slowly through warm tropical oceans, filtering food from the water with its massive mouth. Each whale shark has a unique pattern of spots and stripes, much like a human fingerprint. Its peaceful nature and impressive size make the whale shark one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Mantled howler monkey. The mantled howler monkey is famous for producing one of the loudest calls in the animal kingdom. Its deep roaring howl can travel several kilometers through the rainforest, helping groups communicate and defend their territory. Mantled howler monkeys spend most of their lives high in the treetops, feeding mainly on leaves, fruits, and flowers. Their strong tails act like a fifth limb, allowing them to move safely among branches. These vocal primates are among the most recognizable animals of Central American rainforests. Squirrel monkey. The squirrel monkey is a fast-moving and highly social monkey found in tropical forests. These energetic animals live in large groups that may contain dozens of individuals. Squirrel monkeys feed on fruits, insects, spiders, and small animals while constantly moving through the forest canopy. Their agility allows them to leap between branches with remarkable speed and precision. Despite their small size, squirrel monkeys are intelligent and play an important role in rainforest ecosystems. Porcupine. The porcupine is one of nature's best defended mammals. Its body is covered with thousands of sharp quills that help protect it from predators. Contrary to popular belief, porcupines cannot shoot their quills. Instead, the quills detach easily when touched by an attacker. Most porcupines are herbivores, feeding on leaves, bark, fruits, and other plant material. Many species are excellent climbers and spend much of their time in trees, using strong claws and tails for balance. Their unique defenses and gentle nature make porcupines fascinating residents of forests around the world. Lessons motmot. The Lessons motmot is a beautiful bird known for its bright blue, green, and orange feathers. It is especially famous for its long tail with racket-shaped tips that swing back and forth like a pendulum. Lessons motmots feed on insects, fruits, and small animals, helping maintain balance in tropical forest ecosystems. The rainforests of Costa Rica, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Located in Central America between Nicaragua and Panama, Costa Rica may be a relatively small country, but it contains an astonishing variety of wildlife and habitats. The country's rainforests are among its greatest natural treasures, covering vast areas of mountains, valleys, and lowlands. These forests are home to monkeys, sloths, jaguars, toucans, macaws, frogs, butterflies, and thousands of plant species. But behind this incredible abundance of life lies a powerful natural force: the rainforest climate. The location, weather, and temperature of Costa Rica create the perfect conditions for one of the richest ecosystems on the planet. Costa Rica sits just north of the equator, placing it within the tropical zone. Because of this location, the country receives strong sunlight throughout the year. Unlike temperate regions that experience 4 distinct seasons, Costa Rica mainly has 2 seasons, a wet season and a dry season. The wet season usually lasts from May to November, while the dry season generally occurs from December to April. Even during the dry season, many rainforest areas remain green because of high humidity and frequent moisture. Costa Rica is bordered by both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. These large bodies of water play a major role in shaping the country's climate. Warm ocean waters continuously supply moisture to the atmosphere. As moist air moves inland and encounters mountains, it rises and cools. This cooling causes water vapor to condense into clouds, eventually producing rainfall. The result is a landscape filled with lush forests, rushing rivers, and countless waterfalls. One of the most famous rainforest regions in Costa Rica is the Corcovado National Park on the Osa Peninsula. Scientists consider this area one of the most biologically intense places on Earth. Another important rainforest region is Tortuguero National Park on the Caribbean coast. This area receives heavy rainfall throughout much of the year and supports a rich variety of wildlife. The weather in Costa Rica's rainforests is warm, humid, and often unpredictable. A sunny morning can quickly transform into an afternoon thunderstorm. Rainfall is a normal part of daily life in many rainforest regions. The sound of raindrops falling on leaves is one of the defining features of the rainforest experience. Average annual rainfall varies depending on location. Some rainforest regions receive more than 4,000 millimeters of rain each year. Certain Caribbean slopes and mountain forests can receive even higher amounts. This constant supply of water supports dense vegetation and provides habitats for countless species. Humidity levels are often extremely high. In many rainforest areas, humidity regularly exceeds 80%. The air feels warm, damp, and heavy with moisture. This humidity helps plants grow rapidly and keeps the forest green throughout the year. The temperature in Costa Rica's rainforests remains relatively stable. Lowland rainforest regions typically experience daytime temperatures between 24 and 32 degrees Celsius. Nighttime temperatures usually range from 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Because the country is close to the equator, there is little variation between summer and winter temperatures. Elevation plays a major role in determining local temperatures. As you move into mountainous regions, temperatures become cooler. Cloud forests located at higher elevations often experience temperatures between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius. These cooler conditions create unique ecosystems filled with mosses, orchids, and rare wildlife. One of Costa Rica's most famous cloud forest regions is Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Here, clouds frequently drift through the trees, bathing the forest in mist and moisture. Unlike lowland rainforests, cloud forests receive water not only from rainfall, but also directly from clouds. Tiny droplets of moisture collect on leaves and branches before dripping to the ground. This process provides a constant source of water for plants and animals. The rainforest itself helps regulate weather patterns. Trees absorb water through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through their leaves. This process, known as transpiration, adds enormous amounts of moisture to the air. The released moisture contributes to cloud formation and future rainfall. In many ways, the rainforest helps create its own weather. Without this natural cycle, the ecosystem would not be able to sustain its extraordinary diversity of life. The rainforest canopy acts as a giant umbrella. Towering trees can reach heights of more than 50 meters. Their leaves form a dense layer that blocks much of the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. As a result, different levels of the forest experience different temperatures, humidity levels, and light conditions. The emergent layer contains the tallest trees, which receive the most sunlight and strongest winds. Below this lies the canopy, where many birds, monkeys, and insects spend their lives. The understory is darker and more humid, supporting smaller trees and shrubs. Finally, the forest floor receives very little sunlight and remains cool and damp. These layers create countless habitats for wildlife. The weather influences every aspect of animal behavior. Many animals are most active during the cooler hours of morning and evening. Howler monkeys announce their presence with loud calls that echo through the forest. Sloths move slowly among the branches, conserving energy in the warm tropical climate. Toucans and parrots become active as they search for fruits among the treetops. Frogs emerge during rainy periods when conditions are ideal for breeding. Some species have adapted perfectly to life in constant moisture. The famous red-eyed tree frog spends much of its life among rainforest vegetation. Its bright colors and sticky feet make it perfectly suited to the humid environment. Costa Rica's rivers and streams are also shaped by rainfall. Heavy rains feed countless waterways that flow from the mountains to the sea. These rivers provide water for animals, plants, and human communities. During periods of intense rainfall, rivers can swell dramatically, transforming the landscape. Flooding is a natural part of rainforest ecosystems and helps distribute nutrients throughout the forest. The rainforest climate also supports an incredible variety of plants. Gigantic trees compete for sunlight high above the forest floor. Vines climb toward the canopy, using other trees for support. Epiphytes, such as orchids and bromeliads, grow on branches without taking nutrients from the trees themselves. Ferns, mosses, and flowering plants thrive in the moist conditions. Many plants have evolved special adaptations to deal with constant rainfall. Some leaves feature pointed tips called drip tips. These structures help water run off quickly, preventing fungal growth and leaf damage. The warm temperatures and abundant moisture also encourage rapid decomposition. Dead leaves and fallen branches break down quickly, returning nutrients to the soil. This nutrient cycle helps sustain the entire rainforest ecosystem. Costa Rica's rainforests play an important role in regulating Earth's climate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it within their trunks, branches, and roots. This process helps reduce greenhouse gases and slows global climate change. The forests also help regulate water supplies, reduce soil erosion, and support biodiversity. Scientists from around the world study Costa Rica's rainforests to better understand tropical ecosystems. These forests contain thousands of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Conservation efforts have helped protect large portions of Costa Rica's natural habitats. National parks and reserves safeguard wildlife and preserve critical rainforest ecosystems for future generations. Today, Costa Rica is recognized as a global leader in conservation and environmental protection. Visitors who enter these forests experience a world unlike any other. The calls of monkeys echo through the trees. Colorful birds fly between branches. Butterflies drift through shafts of sunlight. Rain falls from dark clouds before giving way to brilliant tropical sunshine. Every part of the rainforest is connected through the cycles of weather, temperature, and water. Without warm temperatures, abundant rainfall, and high humidity, this incredible are living examples of nature's power and beauty. They remind us that climate shapes life, and life in turn helps shape the climate.